All right, here we go, guys. 4-box Bowman Sterling baseball break. Thank you guys for joining. We are all full. Let's get right into the random, guys. Good luck. All right, dice roll. We're going to go 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Team names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, Crest down with the Padres, Don W with the Rockies, Crest down with the Reds, Jeremiah D with the Cubs, Chaz B with the Orioles, Joe C with the A's, David R with the Royals, Chaz B with the Blue Jays, Bill G with the D-backs, Ron F with the Braves. We got Brian D with the Brewers, Denise F with the Giants, Jeremiah D with the Tigers, Don W with the Dodgers, and Joe C with the Rays. All right, guys, good luck. Jeremiah D is the lucky Cub winner tonight. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. All right, first box. Vet, you out there or what, man? All right, we're going to start with the Angels, number 250. Angels, number 250, C.J. Cron. Then we got Kyle Freeland for the Rockies, base auto. We got C.J. Edwards for the Chicago Cubs. And we got Cam Bedrosian for the Angels as well. Redemption time. Redemption coming up. We got Joe Panic, base. Jose Pereza for the Atlanta Braves. What's up, Vet? How you been, man? All right, we got Aaron Northcraft for the Atlanta Braves as well. And here we go. We got a redemption prospect auto of Chase Vallot for the Kansas City Royals. Good old Chase Vallot. How the break's been doing, man? Another redemption, guys. Another redemption. Yangervis Solarte, base. Nice hit for the Cleveland Indians. Clint Frazier, green refractor. Nice hit there. We got a purple refractor coming up. That's number to 125. We got a purple refractor, Gareth Morgan, number to 75 for the Seattle Mariners. And here we go. Redemption time. Redemption time. Prospect auto of Michael Conforto. Nice hit for the New York Mets. Beautiful hit. Michael Conforto prospect autograph. That's good to hear, man. I've been seeing you've been filling some stuff on the page. All right, we got Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Insert. We got a purple, number to 50, Tom Murphy for the Rockies. I didn't know purples were number to 50 in Bowman Sterling, but now they are. Tom Murphy for the Rockies. Then we have a, I don't even know what kind of color you would say that is, but Lucas Sims, number to 99. I thought that was purple. Guess it's not. Lucas Sims, Atlanta Braves. And Miguel Sano for the Minnesota Twins. Not a bad box here. Nice, man. Well, I'm glad to hear it, Vet. If there's anyone I want to see succeed, it is definitely you, buddy. All right, we got a Byron Buxton insert for the Twins. We got Dominic Smith for the New York Mets. We got Mitch Geeler for the Phillies. And New York Mets, nice hit. Noah Syndergaard, number to 125, green refractor. Alright, we got an Aaron Nola, number 50 for the Phillies. We got Blake Swihart for the Red Sox. Gavin Cecchini for the New York Mets. And Rougned Odor, number 125, green refractor for the Rangers. Well, when you start doing baseball breaks, Vet, I'll give you some customers. You gotta get out of that football garbage. Just kidding. Alright, we got Jonathan Gray for the Rockies, insert. Nick Gordon for the Minnesota Twins. We got Tyler Beede for the Giants. And Michael Kopech for the Red Sox. Alright, we got a Travis d'Arnaud, number 50 for the New York Mets. We got Nick Howard for the Cincinnati Reds. Jorge Alfaro for the Rangers. And Gregory Polanco for the Pittsburgh Pirates. There's money in all of them, Vet. It's just a matter of the clientele you have. Alright, redemption. We got a redemption. First up, we got Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Insert. Go to the Kansas City Royals, Foster Griffin. And we got Henry Owens for the Red Sox. Come on. We need a big redemption here. Can we get a big redemption? Hold on, guys. Just a regular prospect auto. Alex Jackson for the Seattle Mariners. Seattle Mariners. Nice hit. Another redemption coming up. We got Kyle Pucker for the Rockies. Alan Hansen for the Pittsburgh Pirates. We got Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Here we go. Let's hope it's not a base. I can't even read it, guys. Can't even read it. Hold on. We got a green refractor. It's going to go to the Tigers, number 125, Derek Hill. Couldn't even read it on the screen. It's like blurry. It's got like a streak through it. Green refractor auto, Derek Hill of the Tigers. Not a bad hit. Another redemption. God, Sterling is loaded with redemptions. We got Kyle Zimmer, and Chaz has been on fire. Number 50, J.P. Crawford again. He is a J.P. Crawford hitting machine. My man Chaz has been hitting him like no other. Number 50, purple refractor. Then we got Steven Piscotty for the Cardinals. And we got a redemption. It's going to be another one hard to read. Blue refractor. What's that say? Die cut auto. Clint Frazier for the Indians. You got to be shitting me. Chaz is on fire again. Clint Frazier, Sterling die cut auto. Blue refractor. That sounds really good. I believe that is number 25. Beautiful hit for the Cleveland Indians. And he's on fire again. You gotta be shitting me. Alright, we got Brandon Finnegan, number 199 for the Royals. Luis Severino for the Yankees. The Marlins hit Justin Nicolino, number 125, green refractor. And we got George Springer for the Houston Astros. Alright, some nice hits so far out of Sterling. Chaz definitely killing the break again. He pulled a number 5 JP the last break. He has just pulled two very nice cards this break. Alright, we got Nick Gordon for the Minnesota Twins. Carlos Correa, that guy's on fire. His cards are selling great. We got Justice Sheffield for the Indians. And Matt Barnes for the Red Sox. Alright, Joey Gallo, number 199 for the Rangers. Eddie Rosario for the Twins. Brandon Finnegan for the Royals. And Andrew Heaney for the Marlins. Alright, we got Archie Bradley insert for the D-backs. We got Mike Folty-Newicks for the Astros. Raul Alcantara for the A's. And we got Jake Gatewood for the Brewers. This box has been a dud so far. Redemption coming up. We got Tommy La Stella for the Braves. A.J. Cole for the Nationals. It's going to be another one hard to read. Delano DeShields for the Astros. Here we go. I think it's going to be another one that's hard to read. Bowman Sterling. Magenta Refractor. That's what the ones numbered to 99 are, I believe. Prospect Auto Magenta Refractor. Derek Hill again. I believe that's numbered to 99, guys. Sorry, I don't know my colors. I don't know what magenta looks like. Oh, well. Alright, we got Rougned Odor, number to 199 for the Rangers. Uh-oh. Think we might have some. Javier Baez for the Cubs. Kyle Crick, the Dick, number to 75 for the Giants. And Arizmendi Alcantara for the Chicago Cubs. Not a very strong box here. We got a redemption. You never know. We might make it up. We got Stephen Romero for the Mariners. Jorge Bonifacio for the Royals. Eddie Rodriguez for the Red Sox. Here we go. Here we go. It's going to be an easy-to-read redemption. Just a base prospect auto. It's going to be Chase Ballot again for the Kansas City Royals. All right, last box, guys. Good luck. Huge crowd tonight, I tell you that. Shoo. They've all come to watch tonight. Alright, we have number to 10, Atomic Refractor, Arizmendi Alcantara for the Chicago Cubs. Then we got Tom Murphy for the Rockies. Lucas Sims for the Braves. And the Kansas City Royals, Yordano Ventura, number to 99. I guess you could say that is magenta. Alright, we got Lucas Giolito insert for the Nationals. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. Kyle Freeland for the Rockies. And C.J. Edwards for the Chicago Cubs. Alright. Oh my God! Oh my God! Chaz, you are gonna go nuts! Archie Bradley, number to 199. Clint Frazier, Superfractor, 1 out of 1. Holy shit! Holy shit, you son of a bitch! Chaz, you're gonna kill me! You're gonna love me forever! 1 out of 1. Clint Frazier, Superfractor. Holy fuck! Holy fucking wow! Wow, wow, wow! Murph, you came in at the right time, my brother. Holy cow! What a freaking hit! That is unbelievable. Unbelievable, Chaz. Oh my God, you don't even know. You don't even know, dude. That is a huge hit. You just made some money there, brother. You just made some money there. Oh, no bad language. No bad language. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hold on, guys. Let me go through this whole pack. Derek Fisher with the Astros. Wow, what a hit. And we got Tommy La Stella, number to 99 for the Braves. I can't wait to call him. He is going to go nuts. Holy shit. Wow, what a hit right there, fellas. What a freaking hit right there. You don't even know. Holy cow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Josh Williams is going to go nuts when he sees I post that on my page. Holy shit. Billy Hamilton with the Reds. We got Max Pentecost for the Blue Jays. We got Luis Ortiz for the Rangers. And we got Colin Moran for the Astros. Holy cow. What a hit. We got a redemption coming up. All right, we got Zach Waters for the Braves. Guys, I gotta call my buddy right now. I gotta call him right now. Hold on. Alright, Blake Swihart for the Red Sox. Gary Sanchez, number to 99 for the Yankees. Michael Kopech for the Red Sox. Dude, Chaz just hit a monster. Absolute monster, bub.
How much?
Woo! Big money.
How much is it worth?
Let's just say it's a super fractor. Hold on. I'm finishing my last pack. Give me 1 second. Joey Votto with the Reds. Miguel Sano for the Twins. We got Jose Pereza for the Braves. And number 25, Aaron Northcraft auto for the Atlanta Braves, blue refractor. Holy cow. Hold on, DeLong. Murph, you missed the whole break, dude. You just missed a huge super fractor. Oh, you watching me?
We heard you call it. Woo!
You didn't see what it was? Yeah. Shit, it's big money, Bob.
How much are we talking big for?
I know a guy that'll buy it right now. I'll hit him up. He'll probably give $500 to $800 for it.
$500 to $800. All right, hold on. We're coming down right now.
All right.
All right, bye.
Murph, you still there? What a hit, man. Clint Frazier Superfractor, baby. Woohoo! Very nice. Great freaking pull, man. Murph, I'm out to upload the video to YouTube for you, man. All right?